first of all, I want to say I think that this is disgraceful that this hearing is happening within a week of the early voting starting. So anything that you've talked about today with Armstead Jones and L.A. Wong and all these people doesn't even have enough time to get implemented. The issue that I wanted to really talk about, bring people's attention to, is the election judges. So Maryland law, if you have the paper that looks like this, Maryland election law says that you have to have a Democrat or a majority party judge along with an election judge that's not majority party. So that would be Republicans, or it could be unaffiliated voters, or even green. That didn't happen in the last primary. And what I wanted to ask Armstead Jones is how do you go about assigning the party affiliation of the election judges? How do you determine who goes where? 36 Republicans were assigned to the Baltimore City Elections Office on primary day. Armstead Jones, Mr. Jones mentioned that and said he had, I think, 80 people total assigned. So as people didn't show up, as election judges didn't show up, I think he had a responsibility to make sure that there was a non-Democrat judge at these poll sites. And that didn't happen according to the Public Information Act request that we received. So there are 18 polls with no non-Democrat election judges. And that's, you might be thinking, well, why does it even matter? The reason that is put into place is so that there is no collusion. The point is that that's what the law says. So if Armstead Jones is not willing to allocate people in accordance with Maryland law, what other laws is he going to bend? Well, we're supposed to have X amount of judges, but we don't really need that many. You know what I'm saying? Like, how do we know what he chooses to do or not? So I just wanted to be in the record that he could have assigned those people, and he chose to not do that at 18 poll locations.